Today, we're gonna learn about the alphabet. What letter is on this block? I said hello. I won't Oh, it's a B for Betty. It's a C for Michael. B for Betty. Oh, R-C-B, so aggressive.
There's no K on this block.
I see L for loser.
We can't say that. Stop trying. She clearly is the most tallest person ever, and I don't think you should tease her. What?
Items. Luna, help! Do
I
something.
am helping. I just got some duct tape.
Okay, Luna Draco, can you be Rainbow? Let's go.
Rainbow is ruined.
Oh, hello there, Rainbow.
Oh.
She
Did
can't
you
get
guys
into
do your-
this.
Rainbow, you notice they need one more item left.
Going down a slide. Whee!
Hello,
Hey,
Rainbow. Is this your desk?
Yeah, time to go play.
That was me.
Well,
I'm outta here.
Hey! Okay, Rainbow's
Luna
totally gonna
Devil is
lose.
here.
and the last item is now ours. The five funk who wants to see Lunar jump.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say something. Oh, you're just like us. You're tiny.
Lunar, you can also stop. No, Lunar, can you crouch lower? Why? Wait, come down on eye level. Okay, ready? Look at this. Guess what I'm dancing to, Lunar? If you guess it right, then you win. Grocery store right
Lunar.
there. There's a big sign.
Can you grab me that carton of milk? Do you see me?
Oh, sure. Yeah, I'll grab you this carton of milk. Here, have some free samples of juice.
Disappeared in plain sight.
Yep. Clean up in aisle beans. I said clean up in aisle beans. Thanks to our invisible
Come on.
potion, right, Funny?
Yeah. Hey, Lunar. Lunar.
No!
Rainbow, that's what you get. That's
I'm
what
trying
you
to
get,
trick her.
Lunar.
No.
Lunar, turn
Who
around.
wants some PB and J?
Lunar.
What?
That sounds like it hurt.
Where are they going?
Lunar!